Well, hi there, Mickey. How are you doing?
Well, I'm doing just fine. But did you hear?
Hear what?
Donald went and got his vocal cords fixed.
Gorsh, I wonder if we'll finally be able to understand what he's saying.
Yeah, apparently with some really fancy voice specialist in Japan.
Japan? That sounds cool.
Yeah, there's just one thing that kind of worries me.
What's that?
I'm just worried about how drastic his voice change will be. I mean, have you seen anime?
Oh, well, I'm sure he's still good old Donald.
Donald, is that you?
Gorsh, Donald, you sound way different.
バカは何も知りない。私はあなたを殺すためにも出てきました。
Okay, Donald, let's calm down.
Boy, he sounds cool.
あなたの終わりに備える。
Oh, crap.
Konnichiwa.